Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 for Boost Mobile. So the Galaxy Z Flip4 is now here at Boost Mobile as of August 26th. So it's available now in two colors, graphite and you have boar purple as your color options there, which is pretty nice. 128 gigabytes of storage, and it's $9.99 for retail price. It's $5.99. It's currently on sale. With $400 off as of this video recording, so not bad there. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get like a smartphone with the flip phone factor, the Galaxy Z Flip4 is the phone for you guys to check out there. So you guys have the inside of the phone there. You guys have your main screen here, front facing camera, that earpiece. Yeah. The right side of the phone has your power button / fingerprint sensor right here. On the back, has your back, and then you guys got your cover screen there, dual cameras, camera flash. The left side has your SIM card right there. There's the back of it there. There's the phone completely open there. Very nice. And there it is again in flex mode. There's the hands on the Galaxy Z Flip4. And then there's the front of the phone with the cover screen, dual cameras, and camera flash and stuff like that. Alright. Of course, it runs Android 12 with One UI 4.1.1. 12 megapixel camera, 32 hours of talk time, 6.7 inch display. That's your main display. Says Galaxy Z Flip4 is pocket size for big moves with its compact form, affordable display, and statement making color choices. You have countless new ways to capture your best life on a whole new level. Alright. Features: built for fun, built for life. Built for fun, built for life. Folding screen technology that stands the test of time. Flex, pose, post. Capture hands-free selfies, photos, and videos wherever you go with flex mode camera. Perfectly pocket size. Enjoy the compact design of Galaxy Z Flip4 and say goodbye to bulk. Alright. Specs on the Galaxy Z Flip4. You guys have two displays. Your main display, 6.7 inch dynamic AMOLED. Your cover screen is 1.9 inches. That's Super AMOLED, which is pretty cool. 3700 mAh battery. Fast wireless charging 2.0. Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Android 12 with One UI 4.1.1. The Galaxy Z Flip4 weighs 6.6 ounces. Cameras, you guys have dual 12 megapixel camera, which one of them is a wide angle and then an ultra wide camera. Then you guys have a 10 megapixel front facing camera, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and 128 gigabytes of storage. You do get 4G LTE, 5G of course, sub 6 millimeter wave, and NFC. Dimensions when the phone is unfolded, was basically the main display when it's opened, is 6.50 inches height, 2.83 inches width, and 0.27 inches depth. When the phone is closed, it is 3.34 inches height, 2.83 inches width, and 0.67 inches depth. There's two depth dimensions here, so keep that in mind. Other features include Gorilla Glass Victus Plus IPX8, rated for water resistance and armor aluminum frame. What comes in the box is, you guys know what Samsung puts in the boxes now. You guys get the Galaxy Z Flip4, ejection pin, data cable, and that's pretty much it. There is no charging brick in the box, so you guys will have to provide one if you guys don't have one. Yeah, there you guys have it. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 is now available at Boost Mobile for $9.99 for retail price. So if you guys are looking to get a smartphone with the flip phone factor, the Galaxy Z Flip4 is the phone for you guys to check out there. It has nostalgic written all over it because of the form factor that it has. So yeah, pretty cool there. And I think you can close the phone to hang up calls and stuff like that. So very nostalgic flip phone feature. So pretty cool there. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.